What's up, MG gang, 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 gang. Back with another vloggy. And guess where I'm at? I'm gonna show you in my storage because guess what? I'm moving. It's been a three-day process. Well, I've been moving since Friday. I didn't get a truck this time. When I moved out of my old apartment, I had got a rental truck, but I didn't get one this time. So I've been like using cars. So Friday, my auntie and my cousin helped me. They both have SUVs. Plus the car I was driving, which was my mama's car. So we did that in one day. And now I'm here by myself. I just took the small stuff out and put it in my car, and now I'm waiting on the truck to get. Somebody just walked in. To get I had to get out my storage and scope the scene because it's already creepy in here. Like, didn't be here and stuff. So this is what we finna do. Bring it outside. Cause y'all, I heard something, and I'm waiting on whatever, the person to go to their storage so I can, hear the thing lifting up and all that good stuff. But I ain't hear that for a good, I start recording for a good 5 minutes. It don't take that long to get to your storage. If you do, you on the wrong side. You need to go to a door that's closer so you can get to your and stop being a freak. Excuse my language. But anyway, y'all, I had to come out here in the heat. Damn. So, what I was about to say before I got startled. So, yeah, y'all, it's just been crazy. I'm waiting on the truck to get here. The devil trying to try me.
Who you finna try? Who you finna try? Hey, who you finna try?
But, it's cool. He said that his trailer got a flat tire. Let me get some shade. His trailer got a flat tire. Oh, look at my cute little car. So he's getting it fixed or whatever. And then he'll be here. I told him what all I had, but I forgot to mention the washer, and my futon. It's like a little futon, but he has his truck and he has a trailer. So hopefully the trailer is long and wide enough, And yeah. But the question is, who finna help me move it? Now, my son daddy is supposed to be coming. He was supposed to be met me here at 30 minutes ago. Really like 4:10. But he's not here and not answering the phone. So yeah, I really don't know. I really don't. But I'm gonna keep a positive attitude, keep a positive mindset, Hopefully they get here in time. Excuse me, because I gotta go home. I gotta be at my apartment by 1 o'clock because the Wi-Fi people are coming to install my stuff. But I look crazy. Yeah, I've been looking crazy since I came back. But y'all, stuff been going on. A lot of stuff been going on. Moving out the apartment, motherhood. I only be in the house, so obviously I haven't been posting. I haven't been, creating no content just yet. So this is how I've been looking, except for maybe once out of the month. It's August. Pretty sure I'm gonna cut up next week, which is my birthday, y'all. But I don't know. Things been happening. I've been having to sacrifice a lot of stuff, and yeah, that's where we at. So yeah, I can't wait to show y'all the apartment. I guess I'll do like an unfurnished one like I did for the last one. But yeah, this time I'm really going This time, I'm gonna really show y'all the furnished look. You know, I'm actually gonna put some effort into this unit. I didn't do it with the last unit um, for many, many reasons, y'all. Many, many reasons. But I promise this is a new beginning. This is a new chapter. My son is here. This is, you know, this is all new beginning. Fresh new apartment. Me as a mom. All that good stuff. I have to create a new intro. Like, this is something totally new. So I hope y'all are still down with the gang so y'all can, you know, keep in the loop. I'm scared to go back in there. I'm hot. It's hot out here. I have a climate control unit, as y'all saw, but I'm scared to go back up in there. If I do, I need to close my shed. But then I might get set up. That might be a setup. I gotta be ready to bomb with somebody. Yeah. Stop playing. I really got them hands though.
Boy, if you don't.
I need to catch y'all up on some things because I know, like, if y'all watch my previous videos, there was something that I was trying to tell y'all, but I just kept postponing it and all this stuff like that. So I'm gonna just keep it short and simple because it was so long ago, but not too long ago. Y'all know, you know, we human. Everybody's human. Some people done had downfalls. You know, the devil tried to, you know, burn your bridges or whatever. Not burn your bridges. You know, the devil tried to bring you down. Shit happens. You end up having a downfall, and you know, you just end up having to start all over. So that's what happened to me, y'all. I ain't saying I lost anything. Well, I did lose some things, but it was stressful. Like, stuff that I had started on doing, I had started investing on some things, and I couldn't do that no more. Like, it was crazy, and it was while I was pregnant. So during the pregnancy, so it was very stressful, and I had to figure out a lot of stuff before moving out of my apartment, because had I not, then your girl probably would have been like homeless. Like, I was almost homeless. Well, not almost, but I could have been homeless, but I wasn't, because there's a God and he took care of me or whatever, and the baby. So hence why I was able to deliver the baby, well, deliver AJ the way that I did. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm about to go back in this room, and when I come back, I'll be moving the stuff in my new apartment. So that's what y'all gonna see. So I'll see y'all at the apartment. Okay, bye. Y'all, I've been so busy moving, but look, I'm in here. I'm in here, y'all, and y'all, let me show y'all, because I gotta exit back out of here. I'll come back when I'm unloading my car. But listen, we had to put a couch on the freaking elevator. Like, what? How? But yeah, so we're almost done. Once I'm finished, then I'll meet y'all back inside so I can show y'all what I got going on. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little unfurnished tour real quick. So I just came through the door, and here is the washroom right there. I got stuff all over the place, y'all. But boom, washroom. This is my living and dining area. All the way over to the kitchen, y'all. It's literally stuff everywhere. This closet is the pantry. Obviously, I can't open it right now, but it's pretty much empty. And got a bunch of shelves in it. Here is the extra closet with this little mini hallway situation thing going on. Here's a closet for storage, stuff in there. Here is the bathroom. Boom, spiggity bam, bing, wow, bam. And it has a closet here with storage as well. They need to, should have did something about them stains. And here is the bedroom, y'all. It's a double closet or whatever. And stuff like that. Y'all, this carpet, it looks hideous. I requested for a new carpet because they got me messed up. They got AJ messed up. So hopefully they send somebody to either lift this or come and clean it, because they lied about it being cleaned professionally anyway. No trace of it being cleaned at all. No, literally trace, no trace at all. And it's trash all on the floor. Pretty much it. I'm toe up and hot. I just brought the last load up here. Look at my mustache. Get your girl together mustache. But let me close this. Yeah, I just brought the last load up. I still got some stuff that need to come up. Like, there are a few things at X-Nim house that couldn't fit in the car, and then I got stuff in my mama house. So I'm really completely not done, but the majority is here, y'all. So later on, I'll be here unboxing and organizing and things of that nature. So yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Moving vlog. I don't know if there's something else. I should order pizza. I should order pizza while I do this. But yeah, I'm trying to find a cute angle, but I obviously can't do that. So yeah, I'm gonna just end the vlog right here, and yeah, that's gonna be that. I'll just come back and see y'all on the next vlog or the next video. Who knows what it's gonna be, but just know your girl is inside of the apartment, and it's a new beginning, a new adjustment, a new lifestyle. If you rock with me, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, show me some love. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Okay, bye.